Look at the ground. Did you find one?
Yeah.
Good job.
That's candy.
You found another one.
Hold on, there's lots of them.
Put your ears back
Put
on.
your ears back on.
She doesn't want to
I'll
wear
wear them. Okay, what about, let's go this way.
them. You gotta look everywhere, Anna.
Follow me. See anything around here? Yeah. Where? Got one.
Where's the one?
Look over by the look by the shed. Look in the bush.
Did you put one in there?
Yeah.
No.
Keep looking.
How do we?
Let me see. You got another one? Good job.
What if we go over this way?
Okay, let's go to the corner. Hurry. We gotta get the eggs. No.
Oh, here, Nana.
You got this side.
You see any?
Do you see any eggs?
There's a pink one.
All right.
Is there any more? And then we'll go over this way. You see any?
She's pretty good at this.
You
Yay!
can smell that candy, it's just the way it works. Well, hold on, let's go. See, what if we're walking this way? I wonder if there's any over here. You see any, Anna?
Yeah.
Yay! Good job.
Do you see any?
That's really close.
Where?
Maybe there's some in the rocks. I heard Easter bunnies like rocks.
Right now she'll be collecting rocks.
Good job.
Where's the other one?
There's only 2 left.
There's 2 more. Can you find 2 more eggs? There's one.
And there's the other one.
There's 2.
Yay!
You found them all. Good job, Anna. You want to open them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Not yet?
Yeah. It's good size.
Okay.
Yeah.
Daddy bunny.